National Occupation Classification for Canada Permanent Residency. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. If you are planning for Canada Permanent Residency and you want to know whether your profile is in Canada demand or not, so this video gives you the complete information how to check your demand and how you can check the National Occupation Classification. NOC is just a system to classify the jobs which you are performing in your organization. IRCC use this system to check whether you are coming under the skilled worker or you are coming the unskilled worker category. If you are planning for federal skilled worker program, you can only select the job codes that is coming under O.
Hello guys, unfortunately we have to fast forward this video from here now. But don't worry, I have something special for you. We have decided to share our knowledge with all our subscribers. You can now have access to the entire application process with step-by-step explanation of express entry and PNP applications. So if you have enough time, then you do not need a consultant to do your application. You can do it yourself and fill the application by yourself. This video is one of the several videos which we have made on Canada Permanent Residency. The aim of these videos is to help you to fill your application by yourself. Let me introduce you with our new DIY Canada Visa portal, which is do it yourself, in which you will get all the information from the beginning of your process till you get the confirmation of passport request letter from the IRCC. So as long as you follow each step one by one and follow the videos, you can complete the entire application by yourself. Now let's go to the hidden wallet which hides all the information on Canada PR. This DIY Canada Visa portal is one-stop shop for your entire visa application process. Let me show you how it works. Once you log in to the portal using the username password and with the code which we will provide you at the end of this video, you will see all the videos in chronological order. From the first step, how to calculate your CRS score, eligibility points, how to apply for your transcripts from the university, everything is given in this portal. There is a separate video for each application, PNP application like SINP, OINP, AINP. Each video shows how to fill the application and how documents can be arranged while you are filling the application. It also tells you how to contact IRCC if you need any help or if you need to contact us. Now the million-dollar question is that why are we giving all this information to you? Well, we love to share knowledge and we are transparent in everything we do. We understand there are a lot of people who want to go to Canada but cannot afford thousands of dollars of lawyers' fees and they do not process with their application. But this portal will help you to achieve your goal and we will be glad to be a part of your journey here. Now let me give you the access code which will help you to log in there. The code is DIYSVCANPR. Once you get this code, enter the code over here and you will get free access to it. We will be giving more promo codes and updated information on this portal. So if you are really interested, then do subscribe to this channel and you will get more information. The details for the DIY portal is given below. If you can just follow the link, you will have access to that now. So don't delay, start your application today.